This is a 2020 Ford Expedition. I've already done a video on how to reset the oil light, but they changed it a little bit. This particular one is a push button. I'm not sure if they all are, but this one is. So to reset it, what you'll do is turn it once and it'll ask for the key, or to step on the brake to start it, but you don't have to worry about that because you do not have to start the vehicle for this. And what you'll do is, say you're in trip, you will just use the buttons here on the left side of the steering wheel, and you'll scroll over to the right until you get to engine information. I know it's a little difficult to see, and you'll hit the OK button, which is in the middle, and it'll take you there, and it says hold OK to reset. So you'll hold OK and you just reset your oil. So again, like I've said before in my other videos, this is just if you get it taken somewhere and they don't know how to reset it, or if you do it yourself and you're not familiar with it, this is how you do it. Again, this is a 2020 Ford Expedition, and the vehicle's not running at this time, but you can do it either way.